Hello guys, this is Fun and Automotive here. I just wanted to show you some things that I've done to my Jeep that I haven't told you that I've done, the fixes and everything. And I got some things to tell you about the sunroof as well, so I'll let you guys know about that right now. Alright, this is the first thing right here. I did the cats, the passenger, and the driver, which is right there. Which you know if you're watching this, and new resonator. It came with the spare hole, I'm guessing for the newer models, so I just went to the junkyard and plugged it up really quickly with a Junker 02. I replaced the seals. This is the rear main seal for the transmission, and I replaced the front diff seal, the little independent front differential seal. I've done oil pan, filter, and all that stuff. Everything I'm telling you right now I done myself. I haven't taken this thing for the shop, but for a quick wheel alignment, because I don't know how to do that exactly yet perfectly. So new filter change and all that stuff. I need to change the shift solenoid in here though, because it's starting to shift a little funky, and I don't think it's the transmission, but let's continue. But yeah, that resonator is brand new though. It's nice. The new cats and resonator together made the whole car sound really beefy, like I had aftermarket exhaust. But I had to put this wrap on here because there's a seam right here and it's got a slight leak to it, so I just threw some exhaust wrap around it. Well, first I connected the resonator to the Y pipe, which is connected to the front O2 or the front cats, and there's a seam right here, so I just self-tapped on here to keep it together, because when I was four-wheeling it wanted to come apart. And so I just self-tapped it, threw some exhaust wrap, and fixed that problem really quickly. And there's a few more things. You already know about the upper control arms. I've already done all of that. I already told you. What else have I done? Well, I guess we'll get to the sunroof. The sunroof, now, the whole housing on the sunroof, this right here, the track and all that stuff in here, this side broke on my original track. The whole housing unit in here that holds the sunroof and everything in the motor. So the motor's located in the back at the end of the sunroof assembly. But I went to the junkyard to find an O2 with the sunroof, and I could not find it anywhere. No O2 limiteds anywhere. It's just where I'm at, it's very hard. I don't come across them every day. It's rare for some reason. And so I just decided and researched and finally came across the conclusion that I should just look into other cars, like the Jeep Liberty, see if the newer models fit, and they did not. And the PT Cruisers, those years, the Jeep Grand Cherokees, the Durangos, all the sunroofs. And from what I saw online on the internet, I saw that the 2001 PT Cruiser one looked similar, very similar. I went on eBay and I found one for PT Cruiser 01. So I decided, well, I'm gonna go to the junkyard and just see if I could find one. So I did. I found one, and I took the whole housing for the sunroof out of the PT Cruiser, took the headliner and all that off for the PT Cruiser, all the headliner, and then pulled the housing off for the motor and everything, the whole unit, pulled it down, took the roof off of the PT Cruiser, the glass, off the PT Cruiser, the sunroof glass, just bought the unit, the tracks and all that, and then came home, put my Jeep Liberty glass back in it, obviously, because the PT Cruiser shape of the glass won't fit in the roof, and installed it, and then tested it, and it worked just fine. And this right here is from the PT Cruiser, my visor that goes on it. It's riveted in there. I couldn't take it out. I didn't feel like having to deal with all that, and it's the same exact color, so I figured, hey, leave it, the thing's in perfect condition. And so yeah, that's the story of that. That's from a PT Cruiser, the whole track assembly and everything. The only thing that's original in the sunroof is the glass in the motor. I even kept the PT Cruiser motor for a spare because it worked. So yeah, that's a 2001 PT Cruiser sunroof pretty much. And now what else have I done? I've done the window, passenger window motor. I've done, yeah, well, that's pretty much all I could think of right now, actually. But yeah, I guess so. So if you haven't yet, take a look at all of my videos that I've done and check them out and let me know what you think. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.